friends, today we have the newspaper of 9th of January 2025. Start with the first news that 6 killed, 20 injured in stampede at Tirupati. Data rules set to be rolled out by mid-2025. Vasne. Gold, Google, Bambajan import data. One body retrieved from the Assam mines. No report of any unusual outbreak patterns of HMP in China right now, said WHO. Modi launches projects worth 2 lakhs crore on first honor trip since Lok Sabha poll. Border fencing on in West Bengal despite BJP objection. BSF. No mercy for accused in Anna Varsity sexual assault case, say Tamil Nadu CM. Is TN police a political or a government agency? Ask Madrasa High Court judge. Sharad Pawar will not join hands with nephew Ajit to support BJP. Union government yet to woke up from its slumber on Dam Safety Act, say Supreme Court. Businessman arrested on actor's complaint in Kerala. 6 Maoists surrender before Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah. British change place names to destroy the Telugu culture. Naidu. Andhra Pradesh set to host 3-day Flamingo Festival. POSCO case against Yedurappa. Victim brother seek justice. And ISRO chief V. Narayana will have to hit the ground running. Plan scheme for cashless Medicare by March 14, Supreme Court. Sambhal Mosque case, SC seek reply from government and ASI. India ready to support Maldives in enhancing in its defense preparedness, said Rajnath. Tuhin Kant Pandey entrusted with Revenue Department. SC refuses to direct center to rehabilitate migrants from Pakistan. India's digital policies, talent getting global recognitions. More voters than government population estimate in Maharashtra's Congress. SC to take up pleas challenges CEC and EC appointment law in February. India balancing on twin pillars of technology and traditions. Jaishankar. ICMR gets low-cost tech to detect iron deficiency. Centre decisions to abolish posts of advisor to Chandigarh Union Territory spark a row. Prioritize studies on oilseeds, rich rice, pulses, hybrid, say officials. Simultaneous elections. MPs on House Committee seeks more time for deliberations. Female birds can't reproduce without male sex hormone. And androgens signalizing play a crucial role in development, fertility. Physiological and appearance of both sexes are well as sex-specific growing behavior in male. River interlinking, the fount of environment gestures. The right to food and the struggle with the PDS. Ripple and Scuttle. Government are discouraging the exercise of the right to information. Growth chill. The economic sputtering engines necessitate urgent physical actions. China's long game in Africa. China's long game in Africa is not just about economic influence or military strength. It is also about the subtle art of diplomacy and influence. The center's shares in state revenue has surged in last decade. Wise discovering the industry's script important. How the UAPA and draconian law is reckoning lives. Google bamboozles import data. Gold in November 2024, 14.186 to the revised estimate is 9.9. And in 2024, November is 9.1 and revised estimate is 37.39. Interest rate cut not a silver bullet to receive the economy, CII chief. Farmer worker drivers to be fastest growth job, WEF. Proposal levy on steel import could lead to step price hike in 2025. Cyril's. India should be foundational model for AI, but investment is real entry barrier. SEBI pulls up Ola selected for lapses on disclosure. Trump SEC pick likely to give Wall Street easier enforcement right. Airbus faces financial bill after end year delivery crunch. Market feeling the most pinch from Trump tariff risk. Australian foreign minister to take over as its caretaker chancellor. Austria's foreign ministers to be taken as caretaker chancellor. Rescues search for survivor after quake in Tibet killed 126. 2 children among 3 killed in Israel strike in the West Bank. Ukrainian strike oil depot that serves Russian nuclear bombers. India's Misri meet Taliban's foreign ministers in Dubai. Home destroyed, thousands flee as wildfire tears through Los Angeles. France asks Europe to brace itself against Musk interference. Yoon lawyers slim effort to detain impeached president. Denmark is open to dialogue with US, say foreign minister. Trump asked Supreme Court to block his criminal sentencing. That's from my side, friend. See you soon.